Hey everyone, Professor Michael Scanlon here. So I'm really excited because starting tomorrow, we're kicking off a week-long series on do not try this at home. So we've been doing experiments that you can try at home, and that's really fun, but I wanted to take a kind of a dangerous turn and do some things that you should never try at home. That's going to start tomorrow. I'm very excited about that, but what about today? Well, today is a density demonstration, an experiment that you can try at home. And hopefully you have some really good results with it. So all you need for it are olive oil, water, and isopropyl alcohol. That's the rubbing alcohol you typically have in your homes. So I've got some water here in a beaker and got my alcohol in another beaker. Put your water in whatever container you want. You want it to be a clear container. Okay, it's going to work the best so you can actually see what's going on. Put your water in first and then very, very carefully add the alcohol. And the reason we're doing it carefully is we don't want them to mix if at all possible. Isopropyl alcohol has a density just a little bit less than water, so if you do it right, it will actually float. That's going to be key. So let's see if I can get this right. I found the best way to do this is by tilting and gradually pouring. Down the side of the container. Takes a lot of concentration to not mix these two compounds. Say components and compounds at the same time. Mess it up. All right. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but I'm going to give it a shot. Oh yeah, it actually does show up on camera. There is a dividing line where you see a liquid on a liquid right there. Okay. Now, what you're going to need next is a syringe of some type. One of those turkey injectors, thingamabobbies. I don't know, something like a syringe. If you have a syringe, use a syringe. And some olive oil. Now, I tried and failed to color it. I don't have any oil-based food coloring. If you have oil-based food coloring, you can use that. You can get that at the store. I just don't happen to have any here. I thought I did. I got excited. I put it in there and I'm like, oh wait, yeah, no, that's not oil-based. So mine's not going to be colored, but you can color it, right? Water-based will not mix with oil because oil and water don't mix unless you have an emulsion. Watch the videos. So I am going to take just a little bit of this oil, not much at all, and I'm going to put it right there. Now what did I do? Well, let me show you. I suspended that oil drop between the water and the alcohol. Now if I want a bigger drop, I can get a bigger drop in there if I want. And put another one in. So you can do this. Now I didn't have a syringe, so I'm using what I have on hand. You can do this, like I said, add some food coloring to this. If it's oil-based, it will dissolve in the oil and you actually have this nice little colored bead. So I added some more. Get out of the way. There we go. Added some more and now I've got this bead floating in there. And it looks really cool, especially if you have food coloring added to it. And it'll just sit there. So you do this in like a little vial with a screw cap. Put the water in, put some isopropyl alcohol, put a drop or two of olive oil in the middle where those two surfaces meet. The oil has a lower density than water, but a higher density than the alcohol, so it sits in the middle. And you've got a neat little desk ornament or whatever. That's it for today's video. I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Stay safe, everyone.